and welcome to Gym Sesh Top Tips. Today's lesson is going to be all about the Emom. So every minute on the minute you're going to complete the reps. Whatever time you have left, you're going to rest. So during this Emom, we're going to have two forms for the exercises. We're going to have a scale down option and we're also just going to have the full option. What we'll do is we'll get Michael to demonstrate the full option and I'll demonstrate the scale down options that you can do for the different exercises. Okay, so what Michael's demonstrating for us now is the pull-up, strict pull-up without any assistance. What Michael is going to demonstrate now is the push-up. And the air squat.
Okay, so now we're going to show you the scaled down option of this workout. Sarah's going to demonstrate the band assist pull-ups. Yeah, and in the scaled option, it's normal push-ups, but Sarah's also going to demonstrate how to do an assisted push-up or either using your knees. Yeah, this is ideal for people who aren't at that level to actually complete full push-ups at this moment. Yeah, for the scaled down option, obviously you can do normal push-ups if you can. You can do push-ups from your knees, or you can do like a raised platform push-up. Sarah's going to demonstrate that now. Scale down option, and you want to do squats, you can either do normal squats, Sarah will demonstrate that. Yeah. Ensuring that you get nice and low and you engage with the exercise. And also, if you are new to squats and you can't get into a full deep squat yet, you can also use a bench to assist you. So I'll demonstrate that now. Yeah, it's also there as a safety measure, just in case you fall, you've got somewhere to sit back onto.
Hope you enjoyed today's lesson on Emoms. If you did, press the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, train safe.